Hello and welcome to our presentation on interactive whiteboards, created by Emma Epstein, Isabel Milon, and Peyton Nixon. Introduction. Interactive whiteboards, also known as smartboards, are large interactive display boards that allow users to broadcast presentation media for their audience to see. These boards can either be independent computers or touchscreens that connect to a laptop or desktop computer as a projector of sorts. They were first designed and distributed for office use in the 1990s, and now they can be found in classrooms all over. Some newer models of smartboards have the function to screencast onto student screens, given the students are using compatible technology to interact with the content. Use and purpose. Interactive whiteboards have already replaced traditional whiteboards and blackboards in a majority of classrooms in the United States and other countries. Some of the functions of smartboards include displaying media and software from a connected computer, such as PowerPoint presentations, videos, images, and more. Writing on a touchscreen as you would a traditional whiteboard, and using audience response systems like Quizlet or Kahoot to conduct classroom-wide polls and quizzes. Advantages. Some advantages of using smartboards in the classroom include catering to a variety of learning types with the ability to deliver audio, visual, and interactive material, features that allow teachers to control students' devices, allowing the students to more directly collaborate and interact with their teachers, and limiting the amount of paper being used in the classroom. Some smartboards also come in small enough sizes so that students can take them home, which makes remote learning easier for both students and teachers by further allowing the teacher to connect with their students remotely. Disadvantages. Some disadvantages of smartboards are that they tend to be expensive, they can be challenging to use due to a variety of features, and some students find it more challenging to use a smartboard rather than traditional pencil and paper. Using these smartboards also tends to require teachers to go through somewhat extensive training to fully utilize the boards, and not all software is compatible with smartboards. Smartboards in the future. Classrooms are becoming more reliant on technology, and as such, smartboard use is predicted to increase in the classroom setting. These boards currently in use will need to be switched out for newer models due to outdated hardware. It is also expected that bulk sales of interactive panels will increase as classroom use becomes more widespread. As remote learning becomes more popular, interactive boards will also continue to aid virtual and video conferences.
To conclude, as technology continues to advance both inside and outside of the classroom, interactive whiteboards will continue to be an integral part of the classrooms across the world. Traditional whiteboards are becoming increasingly outdated as smartboards become more common. We would agree that interactive whiteboards have reached the early majority stage of the diffusion of innovation curve, as seen below, because they are widespread and commonly used. But there is still a fair amount of advancement to come. We plan to use interactive smartboards in our future classrooms because they are a highly effective way to deliver content and interact with the students in a meaningful way. Listed below are our sources for this video. Our group member responsibilities go as follows. For this assignment, all group members contributed to gathering information and creating the slides. Emma and Peyton gathered images, Emma wrote the script, Peyton managed the slide design, and Isabel, myself, animated the presentation, created and uploaded the video.